Firstly, we're going to start by going to Safari. I'm just going to look up Polly Google Tour Creator. Selecting the first one and pressing Getting Started. And then press New Tour. I'm going to call it Test. Put it in a category of and create. First of all, you want to find your location, so you can navigate around the world with the left split screen. I'm going to type in and it's going to take me to Australia, the Great Barrier Reef. Here I can change the size, and if I hold down my person I can select somewhere to start off, so I'm going to start off that location. There you can see you can move around in a 360 view of the area, and I'm going to add this as a scene. So you can set a starting view by clicking here, rotating it to your starting view that you want, and pressing save. You can add points of interest on the right. You can label them. For this you can also add images and an audio description. You can always add multiple points of interest. And you can always add multiple scenes. So I'm going to go back again to the Great Barrier Reef. This time I'm going to go out quite far. So you can navigate around this and flip from scene to scene at the bottom here. Now I'm going to add another scene. I'm just going to find a location somewhere around there. I'm going to see what. Let's go here. I'm going to set this as my next location. So I'm going to add a point of interest. I'm going to show you how you can add an image to that. Place an image, select an image, upload the image. If you click on the image icon, there you can see the image, and you can use this to compare. Your text will also be visible there. And you can use this to explore some really famous places. So let's go to London. And we're going to go to let's go to the British Museum. What else? Well, let's go to the Shard. So you can see halfway up the Shard, I think. Once you're finished with your tour, in the middle, press Publish. You can make this public or unlisted. I'm going to make this unlisted. Press Publish. And you'll be given a link. You can view the tour or press Done. I think this is a really good tool because it allows you to show places and do presentations. And it has really professional results. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Creative Flowery.